Hello there. Today, I tested 5 brands related to the mattress sector or furniture sector. Come with me. Let me share my screen with you, and let's have a look and what kind of results we got. So let me share my screen with you. So here are the brands we test. So we search for a specific prompt on Google. So the prompt is which UK bed retailer offers the best value and customer service. So that's the prompt, and this is the result we get on AI overview. And that's where we extracted the 5 brands, because this was the 5 brands suggested by the AI or on Google AI overview. See that this brand are not necessarily the same that are ranking on Google. So we see here this Luciqo is ranking. Bensons for beds, Dreams, Mattress Next Day. Then we have like a review website, Furniture Village, and this is the top 10 first page. Then we have Bed Kingdom as well in the first page with this specific prompt. But only 5 is being recommended on Google by Google AI overview. It's the same thing when you search on ChatGPT. If you check here with me, the result with which UK bed retailer offers the best value and customer service, we see that Dreams is the first option, followed by Bensons for beds, John Lewis and Partners, Mattress Next Day, and IKEA. And they put like some observations about like why is suggesting that, and like some like overviews as well. And if you is interesting, like if you check here, it gives you more information about the website, and the source that extracted information is the main asset. That's the main website. So it's the Dreams website. Extracted information. This is reveals a lot, because it shows that the content that goes to you in your website is still important, is still valued. So it's most part of them are the main asset, but it's also from third part. Like for example, this one. If you check all the sources is here, so you can check it. So you have an idea. Like looks Trustpilot, ECDB, that's a third part, Wikipedia, LinkedIn, EAB UK, and Companies House, and another third part. So this is the citations that is searched to find to take the decision about Dreams. Okay, so now we analyzed these 5 brands recommended on ChatGPT, specifically on Luciqo. So we compare it with Mattress Next Day. We see that Mattress Next Day has a lot of reviews, good reviews, close to the maximum one. The brand presence is 74%, and the reputation score they have is 77%. What's really is interesting, it's good. It's out. It's a good score compared to other business. And we see here, compared to other competitors, Dreams has like a brand coverage lower than the others. So we had 34% in the brand coverage. In mentions, the Mattress Next Day has less as well, but it is still being mentioned. compared to Bad Kingdom, that's not being recommended, but is ranking. So the mentions is 75. So if Bad Kingdom give a push on mentions and make some effort, that's a big chance that will start to be recommended as well among these others big competitors. And Mattress Next Days is also ranking very nice on prompts, not ranking. So I correct myself. We don't use a ranking anymore. We use being mentioned and recommended. And we can take an example, one of these prompts that we tested. Is Mattress Next Day a good choice for budget mattress compared to IKEA? Because IKEA has the reputation to be on budget, and the reputation and the score on the sentiment analysis that Luciqo is telling us, that the sentiment is 70%. So it's being mentioned, and when compared with the IKEA, the sentiment is 70%, and it means that's really good. So when we analyze it here, the answer is Mattress Next Day. Is Mattress Next Day a good choice for budget mattress compared to IKEA? And the answer is yes, because if your priority is getting the best value for limited budget, Mattress Next Day is generally a stronger choice than IKEA, because it specializes in mattress and offers a much wider range of brands, comfort levels, and price points. Wow. So that's like the automated word of mouth for Mattress Next Day. So AI is recommended Mattress Next Day instead of IKEA. This is like if you one customer is doing this, that's a big probability that the decision will go in favor of Mattress Next Day. And this is the game. So how we win this game? So if you analyze the footprint of Mattress Next Day, so you can see in the full report here on luciqo.ai, it will tell you all its footprints. So it has like a great reviews on Trustpilot. It has like mentions a lot of positive sentiment, a lot of positive citations, and we can see no negative. Or there is one on Trustpilot, one negative review or two negative reviews. Well, that's not perfect, but it is still high. It's still ranking high with the brand reputation. And also like the risk here that is pointing, the reputation risk, that's the negative reviews. So that negative reviews needs to be tackled and revised, or perhaps like if in the answer and give some like feedback about the negative review. The same thing in here, like sleep trial and returns friction. So that's impacted negatively. The third risk is spec discrepancies in QC perception. There's a 40 to 80% risk impact also coming from Trustpilot. The positive opportunities is leverage triple NBF, online bed retailer win for authority. So goes to like publish it in third parties and other blogs, write articles, price match promises as conversion lever. So 68% opportunity score, sustainability and CSR storytelling. So publish quarterly impact stats and planting progress. PDP widget, tell local partnership stories in email, social, co-create content with the first trust, fifth trust. So that's what Luciqo is recommending in order to leverage like ranking even better on or not ranking again on, I'm so used to the word ranking, but being mentioned and keeping being recommended by the AI platforms. Remember that like with Luciqo you can track up to 100 prompts You can compare with your competitors. You also can use a GeoWriter tool that will recommend you, suggest the structure of your prompt, so you can create content to optimize your digital footprint and your website as well for specific prompts. So that's why we see here the sources that like this the Mattress Next Day has, or I mean, this is a dreams. It has like content related to that specific prompt. Yeah, so please sign up on Luciqo.ai, and you can track your brand and start to be recommended and mentioned by the artificial intelligence platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI Overview. They all ranking similar. They all ranking. Come on, Gustavo. They all working similar, and they recommended based on that we call fan out chain that they analyze, and that is included Trustpilot, that's included Reddit, Quora, your website as well, your own assets, LinkedIn, social media, and all these websites, all this chain of websites. And if you need support as well, we can offer support. We can help you to understand and interpret the data that we acquire. However, it's very straightforward, very simple to understand with the actions recommended. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe in the channel and give us a like. Thank you.